KKJ चॅनलांतो सर्वांके नमस्कार. आता मी 60 व्हिडिओज चढ GSP खाणाचे घालेन असं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू करून सपोर्ट करचाक आमक छान खुशी आणि के आजा चढ सपोर्ट करता म्हणून विनंती करताय. आता मी इंग्लिश नंतर ना कोंकणीतूय घालू आरामिल्यांस तेव्हा तुम्ही सपोर्ट करता. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राइब कराय. Bondiche God Sukke. You can find both English and Konkani versions of the spicy Bondiche in the description below. What if your family does not want a spicy dish and you want them to get all the health benefits of the banana flour? Then try out the sweet version, a simple and easy to make dish. Get a fresh bondi, preferably one from a Kerala Nandarbalam banana plant. Here is one I picked from my garden today. Spread some newspapers on your work table. Remove the outer covers of the bondi till you come to the yellow part as seen. Side by side, keep collecting the flowers. Now from each flower, remove the thick pistil as shown. Remember to remove this as otherwise this part remains uncooked and will be an irritant while eating. Now chop finely the bondi and the flowers. Keep dropping the chopped pieces in water so that they do not discolor. Drain the water after rinsing well. Here is 2 cups of the chopped bondi that I am adding in a pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles until cooked very soft. Transfer the cooked bondi along with the water to a kadai. Add about 3/4 to 1 cup of jaggery. This depends on the sweetness you require and the nature of the bondi. Also add 1 spoon of ghee and continue cooking till it starts to become dry. Now add about 3/4 cup of grated coconut and continue cooking. Reserve some for garnish. Add 2 to 3 elaichis and cashew nuts if you desire. Cook till it becomes dry. Take care that it does not become too dry, as otherwise it will not be soft. Now serve this to your kids and see them devour this happily.